Hi, this is Kautil Roshan, and today we will be talking about Instagram. What is Instagram marketing? For which type of company we can go and we can do marketing in Instagram so that we can get better results. We will be understanding insight, and after insight, we will be discussing about like how we can make a carousel post in 2 minutes. Some of the great tool that I will be discussing, and after that, we will be discussing about how I can put a image in a one tool and I can get couple of ideas like how my photos will be look like. So let's start the class. So watch the video till the end to get a good insight about Instagram, and you can like get many benefits from that. So do watch the video till the end to get a good understanding about Instagram and the two tools that I will be discussing to increase your efficiency in the Instagram marketing. So now let's start with Instagram. So as we know, Instagram is a very popular network and all among the marketers. So it is one of the very famous network that as a marketer I have to be present, whether I am a content creator or for any particular business, if I am advertising or I want to post regularly and all that about regarding my products or services, so that I can get good leads, or for the product based company I can get good amount of conversions or sales from the websites. So let's start. Let's see. First of all, Instagram is like about, you can say it is an interest based platform. Basically people who are into some kind of interest, they are very present in the Instagram, like they spend more time on the Instagram. For example, if I like, you can say, super bikes, super cars, I will be following the page in the Instagram about that. I will be following celebrity page. If I like arts page, I will be following that. So again, interest based marketing is one of the main features that we can go and we can do in Instagram. Now let's start. Let's see what is the like difference here we have for the normal personal account and the professional account or creator account, you can say. So personal account or private account, you can say it is for personal use. Like suppose if I want to connect with friends and family, I will be opening a personal account or private account. But again, if I have to market myself, or if I am doing for the companies, so or for my business, I will be creating the professional account. So normally you can go and you can create the account in Instagram, and again you can convert that into the professional account and all. So how to do that? Let's see that. So going to do that, like you need to go to the, basically you will go to the your Instagram account, and you will be going to the settings of your Instagram account, guys. And in the settings, after clicking on the settings, you will be clicking on the account tab. Then afterwards you will be getting the two options, like switch account type you will be need to click on. Then after that you will be getting two options, switch to personal account and switch to creator account. Now again, like since this is my like already professional account, so that's why I am getting here personal account. You guys will be getting switch to professional account. So again, and another one is a creator account. So what is the difference between professional account and creator account? Professional account is for business. If I am doing business, I am selling my courses, or suppose I am doing business like digital marketing service I am providing and all, so I can go with the professional account. Suppose if I am providing content like funny content, memes or anything like that, I can go with the creator account. Like example, like you can say Bhuvan Bam, Ashish Chanchalani and all, these all accounts come under creator account. Or any kind of arts or like short film and all that I am making and I am posting on my profile, so I can go with the creator account. Then afterwards, what are the advantage? You will get the insight. So now again, what is insight? We can give a deeper insight of what kind of people that we are into. For example, like suppose we can see in the insight how many account we have reached for last 7 days, and you can apply filters and you can see 30 days also and all. And you can see here last 7 days, like from December 4 to December 10, I have been reached to 3412 account. Then again, how many account I have engaged with? Like 20 account I have been engaged with. Then total followers is 424. Then afterwards you can see the content that I have shared in this. So I have shared one post, 3 stories. Then again I can see the reach of like reached audience. So again, from which city they are. You can see majority of them are from Bangalore, some of them are from Mumbai, some of them are from Delhi and Hyderabad. Then followers and non-followers, like how many accounts we have reached to. So again you can see like 3412 account we have reached overall. And again particularly if I scroll down, I can see here the top countries from which I am getting the traffic and all. And then again afterward if I scroll down here, so again I can see their age range also, guys, like 18 to 24 are the 77% audience that I have. And again here if I scroll down, I can see total account reached and gender wise, like how many men's and women's are seeing my account. And if I scroll down particularly, again I can see how many followers are seeing my account and how many who are not following have reached to have seen my account or have seen my post and all. And the content interaction you can see. So here you can see three type of content that I post generally. So you can see like reels, stories and post. So again reels has got 992 like account it has been reached to, and story 79 and post 74 and video 4 basically in the selected date range that we have selected for last 7 days. Then again top post, so again top post is this, like which has reached to 65. Then again top story it has reached, you can say 1693, and another one has 947 and another one is 51, so 51. Then again top reels I can see which has got how many reach, so you can see here last 7 day like 725, then it's 174 and all. So similarly other things if we have done, we can go and we can see that. Then afterwards I can see one more thing that we can see, each post insight we can see. So again how to see, you can go to your post and you can see here the view insight option. So once you click on the view insight option, you can see here how many people have liked, how many have like saved that and all, how many website tap, like in the bio section how many clicks on the link that you have given for the website, how many people have visited to your profile, and then again how many account we have reached to. So you can see impression is number of times my post has reached to, so you can see here it is like 1160. So again what are the advantage of this? So by looking at into this, like if suppose tomorrow I am starting the promotions and all, so it gives me a better idea like what kind of people are interested in like my content, whatever I am posting, whether for a product or whether for a service way. So like gender wise I can target, age group wise I can target, and again like if you see here, like I can go and I can see which content is doing good, like stories and post and all. Like you can see here top stories, top post and top reel. So again I can make like this so that I can get more reach and more engagement. End of the day social media is all about engagement. So again higher the engagement I will got, higher the Instagram will be promoting my account and showing to other people and all. And moreover I can see the gender wise also and all I can target. So again this is again main thing to understand here. With the professional account or creative account you get the insight. So insight you should be seeing, at least I will advise to see it on the weekly basis to understand how your account is performing, because again if you don't see the insight, so chances of growing in the Instagram are very dim basically. Now let's see one tool, like suppose if I have to do the, like suppose my competitor analysis. So how I will be doing the competitor analysis? So for doing the competitor analysis, basically let me go here. There is one tool called Not Just Analytics. So you can go in the Google and you can type that Not Just Analytics and you can go here, and now here without logging in I can, suppose I search for the account. For example, suppose if I want to know for this particular brand, I want to do the competitor analysis of this Purnia's pop-up. So again I will go here and I will just enter the username. Always remember we have to enter the username here. So after that we will be clicking on analyze. So it will take a 1 minute time barely, and it will gives us the insight that if we check manually, so it will take lot of time. So let's wait for a 1 minute and let's see how much. So it will be just taking 1 minute. So again you can see now it has done. Now again I can see how much follower this account has, how many following this has, like how many people they are following, and how much total post we have. Now how much average like means per post, like you can say, and average comment, total of the account. Then again average video views and all. Then again you can see engagement lower than average like 0.2, if again it is around 1 to 3%, it is considered as good. So again you can say particularly weekly summary, how many followers gains and all, how many posts they are doing. So I can get a note here, like again, like suppose I have page like this, so I can go and I can note like mostly I have to do 19 posts and all if I am in the same kind of business. If I found out this account is good, then again if I scroll down here, I can see the growth, how many followings are increasing on daily basis basically. And again if I scroll down here, I can see the suggested profile. This is one of my favorite thing that I see in the not just analytics, because again I do not have to search for competitor manually. I can get here and now I can click on them and I can know their insight as well. Now again I can see here the hashtag that my competitor is also using. So here you can see, I can go and I can see here the hashtag that is being used. So again if I have to know my competitor hashtag strategy, that also we can get to that. Then again if I scroll down here, so again like I can see here which post is done and how many comments, how many likes, if it is a video, how much views it got, what date they have posted, what time they have posted, you can see. And manually it is very difficult to know like the exact time my competitor is posting. So I have to sneak into competitor's time, like when exactly what time they are posting. So I can check with this tool. And this has both the version free and paid. Free version is also good. So this currently that I am using is a free version only. Now again I can see here the detailed post analysis. So here you can see the type of post that they are doing. So again you can see carousel, multiple image post, so up to 10 we can do in this. So you can see the like, comment and hashtag they have used, and mention again if they have tagged anyone in the post. So again you can see here reel, so like, comment and views, you can see again single image. So again this tool gives you a good idea, particularly how you can go and you can take the competitors like note of that, like what is working for my competitor, or if I am analyzing my competitors and all. Now let's see the most important part, like two tools that we were talking about, like how we can go and we can do that. So first tool that is helpful in your Instagram is this content drips. So what it does, like you can sign up using your Gmail ID. It's very easy process. Then afterwards you can go to my account and you can go to your profile basically, and here you can set your full name and your social media handle, like @ I have put Kautil Roshan. So in your case you can put your name and you can put here your website, whatever website is there. So like I can put mine here like www.kautilroshan.com, or you can include HTTPS also. You can copy and you can paste. So I will always advise you can go and you can open the website and then you can copy paste. So for example, suppose I open this website, so I can go here, I can copy, and then afterwards I can go here particularly in this content drip, and here in the website I can leave that. Then again you can upload your image, whatever you want. Here you can say my image is there, and then again any logo if you have, you can upload that, and then afterwards save changes. So once you are done with this, particularly once you save the changes, then afterwards you can go. So my changes are saved. Now again you can see here create a post option is there. So again whatever post I want, suppose quota post, animated video post, carousel post. So again I can click on that and I can do. So suppose I want a carousel post, like multiple image post. So I can click on carousel post here. Then afterwards see lot of types is they are giving me here. So again whatever is paid is there in their premium version. So again they are free, some of the free version also is there. So again if you scroll down particularly, you can see like this again is the free version. So suppose I want to create something like this, so I can click on this. Now you can see automatically my photos is coming and my name is coming and my social media handle @ is coming. Now again whatever I want, I can double click and I can edit it here. So whatever I want to, I can go and I can edit. Same I can go here and I can edit it. So again after adding all the things and all, if I am done, so I can go and I can have that, like I can save that. So again this is again a time saving thing. Look, you can see again if I do it with Photoshop or any other image editing tool, so it will take lot of time. So I can just go and I can save it. So once I save, again I can save as new particularly. So again basically I can download it and it is done. Then afterwards you can see here, if I go to the home page, Then afterwards it have multiple things also, like quotas post also I can do, animated video post also. So suppose I want to do animated video post, so I can go here and just I can double click and I can write here. So again you can see here 1:1 ratio is there, 16:9. So again you can click and you can do, and again if you play this, you can see how easily it is doing in the video format, so that I can upload it in on my any of the social media platform, whether Facebook, Instagram or LinkedIn. Then again background color, if you want to change, you can change that. All other color also you can change. So after you are done, you can click on export video and you can download that. So it is very good tool that you can use. Now let's go to the second tool. Suppose I have a photo and I want to see how it will look like. I want to check for the multiple version. So here simply just you will click on that upload image, and the tool name is Designify. So again you can go, you can type in Google Designify for Instagram or for photos, you will get that. Then again you will click on upload image here. So suppose I take my image here and I want to see how it will looks like. So again you can see it will take just a minute, less than a minute time, and it will tell me, you can see how my image will be looking in different scenarios. So again I can go and I can take, so suppose I like anyone, so I can go and I can download that. For example, suppose this one I like or this one I like. So anything that I like, you can see a multiple version they have given. So whatever version you like, you can go and you can take that particularly. So for example, suppose I like this one, I can go here and simply just wait for a second. Now again I can go and I can download that. So once it is downloaded, I can go and I can see and I can click on that, and now I can particularly use that. So it is how it is done. So those who are new to my channel, I will say subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon guys, so that you will get frequent update about the digital marketing. I keep updating 3 to 4 content every week. So thank you so much guys. See you in the next video, and don't forget to share with other people who will need the Instagram marketing tip. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. See you in the next video.